Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time since my last video. I apologize for that. I was trying so hard to be consistent with the videos, but I haven't been able to. The truth is I have a million excuses. I'm gonna try to drop those and try to start being consistent going forward. I know that I mentioned that almost every video, but I genuinely do want to start doing that. It is just a little challenging when you have a full-time job. Hopefully one day I'll be able to dedicate more time to this, and this could be my full-time job. That's what I hope to, that's what I hope ultimately to get from this, because I do enjoy filming videos and I do enjoy growing a family on social media. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Click subscribe if you haven't already done so. That way, whenever I post a video, you guys are notified. Actually, the way that you're notified is if you click on the notification bell as well. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let me go ahead and get started. I'm basically going to show you guys the way that I contour, the way that I bronze my face, the way that I use the blush, where I highlight, and all that jazz. So let's get started. I'm going to grab my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and with this bronzer I'm going to go ahead and bronze / contour my face and make it look very bronzy with this look. I'm going to go ahead and grab my F10 Sigma powder brush, and this is what I'm going to use to bronze myself. So let's see, because I look so pale. I can't even imagine going out with this pale look. All right, so it's all over the brush like so, and then I start right here, like right on the tip of my ear, and then I put like the heaviest amount of bronzer here on this corner, and then once it starts getting lighter, I work my way down like so. All right. Oh, ow. This has always been the most perfect brush to do that with, because it's not too small or too big. I feel like it's the perfect size. Love it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and lightly contour my forehead. Just make it look more seamless and blend it in with the rest of my face. This is actually what I do. This is my everyday bronzing routine actually. And I decided to do it today. I'm going out on a double date with my sister. And then after, I'm meeting up with my cousin and other friends. So tonight's gonna be a fun night. And then also with what's left over, you just contour the jawlines. The jawline. That just makes it look like you have like less of a baba, because even when I'm skinny, sometimes like I catch myself in videos and I'm like, oh my god, I need to be more self-conscious of that. Now with the Morphe M506 brush, this tiny little fluffy little brush, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose a little, just to make it a little more snatched, a little pinched nose. And I like to go all the way kind of close to like the edge of my brow, and then go all the way down. It looks a little dark now, but I do it dark like that on purpose, and then I blend it in with a beauty blender. You guys will see how I do that. I feel like I put on my contacts backwards because I'm seeing a little blurry. Alright, so once I do it like that, then I also contour the tip just to make it look shorter. Make my nose look a little shorter. And it's super cute. You could actually see it, like the way I drew it on my nose to look contoured. And then I get the beauty blender and I just blend it in. The beauty blender will make any look seamless. And then this step I usually do before, but I literally just realized this as I'm recording, that I didn't put concealer on. So let me highlight under my eyes with the concealer, and that's with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Technically I like to do this first because I like to bake under my eyes a little bit just to set it, but whatever. With the tip of the Beauty Blender, I'm blending the concealer in. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just do a little baby bake under my eyes to set the concealer so that it doesn't crease. And this is like my favorite trick. So anywhere I feel that like my foundation or my concealer is going to crease, I like to put some of this translucent powder. All right, I'm going to leave that there. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead. I do tend to get a little oily right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight. And I'm going to use the, what highlight should I use? Actually, yeah, why not? I'm going to use Champagne Pop Becca Cosmetics. This is definitely my go-to highlight. It's like the perfect amount of shimmer. Oh, I love it. So, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that with the Morphe M10 brush. I love this brush because it helps you apply the highlight in a very precise manner. So let's go here and start right here. Right on your cheekbone. Man, this really completes the look. Does that not make you excited? Now with the pencil brush, in this case, this is the Sigma E30, yes, brush. I'm going to grab some highlight and put that on the corner of my eyes, just to make me look more awake. With the same pencil brush, I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose. This makes your nose look so freaking cute. I love it. And then on the tip, I always use a pencil brush to apply that. It's also very, very accurate where you want to apply it. And then I blend it in with my finger. Look how cute that looks. And I usually apply some right here on my Cupid's bow. Looking cute. And then I'm gonna grab this flat inner corner. Well, I should have used this for the inner corner, but I'm so used to using a pencil brush, and I'm gonna apply this on the brow bone right here. So now that I'm completely highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and dust off this powder. And then I'm going to make this highlight melt into my skin by using a damp beauty blender and just going over it. Kind of just makes everything melt into your skin. It's kind of equivalent to using a setting spray, in my opinion. And then I'm going to apply some blush to finish off this look, make it look nice and cute. I'm gonna use the Morphe M530 brush to apply this Tarte blush. It's so cute. This one's called Partaaay. And then I'm gonna apply this on the apples of my cheek and then kind of like blend it in towards the highlight. So that pretty much concludes the way that I bronze / contour, apply blush and highlight my face. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish off my eyes because I haven't completed my eyes, and then I'll be right back with the final look. That concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed and that I was really able to show you guys the techniques that I do to apply all these products on my face. If you guys do try these techniques or any of the products that I use, please go ahead and tag me in your social media. I would love to see that. That would actually make me really happy. If you have any ideas for my next videos, go ahead and comment down below. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. That does make me so happy. And give this video a thumbs up because that also lets me know that you guys enjoyed the video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have a nice night, a good day, wherever you are. Until my next video, see ya.
Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something.